Combien de fois je tombe dans ça just to get this video right. So, on dit merci à tout le monde qui regarde des vidéos ça partager avec un autre monde. The shirt corsage là, c'est Shein. The earrings also Shein. What you call it? The blazer. This blazer is na pepe mashtil. I think Pearson. I'll put it on the screen. My hair is Sophie Hair. I will tag it on Instagram so you guys can follow her. But yeah, that's the outfit of the day, and I recorded in my bathroom. That's the look for the podcast today, and I have fun, but I also busted my butt. Tout zona comme a fait mal. Tout zona comme. But zobo dadam a fait mal parce que toi plusieurs fois. So see you guys on the next video. I love to keep the videos short and and precise. I love to keep the videos short, so hope you guys enjoy the video. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.